Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking all about rice water for hair growth and shine. Rice water has a plentiful supply of various vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can add strength to your hair roots and reduce hair fall. It also adds shine to your hair and promotes hair growth. In this video, I'm going to share 3 powerful rice water Ds that will help you achieve luscious locks. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to the channel to support us. Let's get started. First up, let me show you how to make rice water. There are 2 ways to make rice water. First way is soaking method. In this method, you soak rice in water for about 1 hour. This method is explained in detail in this video. Next, I'll share the second method, which is the fermented method. Here you need to leave the rice and water mixture for 2 days for the yeast and bacteria to ferment it. You have to keep the mixture in an airtight container for 2 days. Here's a quick demo. In this method, rice is mixed with water in a 1-to-1 ratio. However, if you are looking for a stronger solution, then use a half cup of rice and 1 cup of water. But remember to always start with a small amount and increase gradually as per your hair and scalp needs. After making the rice water, next step is to mix it with other ingredients and make the remedies. Let's get started. First remedy is rice water hair mask. In this recipe, rice water is mixed with aloe vera gel and castor oil. Castor oil strengthens the hair follicles and prevents hair loss. It also nourishes your scalp and boosts hair growth. While aloe vera hydrates your hair and scalp, both these ingredients complement rice water really well and make an excellent hair mask for all hair types. To make this hair mask, take 1/4 cup of rice water, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and 1 teaspoonful of castor oil. Mix all these ingredients well and apply directly to your hair. Cover your hair with a shower cap and let it sit for 1 hour. Then rinse it off and wash your hair with a mild shampoo followed by a conditioner. Apply this hair mask once a week for best results. The second remedy is rice water hair serum. In this recipe, rice water is mixed with rosemary oil and green tea. Rosemary oil stimulates hair growth and combats hair loss. It has antifungal properties that also help in getting rid of dandruff. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols that protect your hair from oxidative damage and prevent premature graying of hair. To make this hair serum, blend all the ingredients in a clean spray bottle. Take 1/4 cup of rice water, 1 tablespoon of freshly brewed green tea, 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. Shake well before each use and spray this serum on your scalp and hair. Use this spray twice a day, once in the morning and another time in the evening. Avoid washing it out. Third remedy is rice water rinse. This is the simplest form of using rice water. After shampooing your hair, you can use rice water as a final rinse. This means that you pour rice water on your hair, massage it, and let it sit for 5 minutes before rinsing it off with plain water. No need to use a shampoo or conditioner after using this rinse. Before we close, let me share some pro tips for using rice water. For best results, use any of these 3 rice water remedies 2 to 3 times a week. Always store rice water in a clean container and refrigerate it to avoid spoilage. Don't use too much of rice water as it can cause protein overload, especially if you have fine hair. Fine hair tends to get weighed down more icily than thick hair. If you are using rice water for the first time, start with 1 tablespoon of rice water and increase the quantity as needed. Do not use if you have a sensitive scalp or any allergies. That's all for today, guys. I hope you liked these recipes. Do try them out and let us know your feedback. We wish you healthy and happy hair journey. Until next time, stay strong and beautiful.